What's going on, guys? I got a quick video to bring to you this morning because something pretty cool has finally happened. Now, I mentioned this already in a community post and on Twitter, but it has come to my attention that not everyone sees my community posts because they're using a Surface Duo, and on Surface Duo, YouTube likes to randomly change its mind as to whether or not you're able to see community posts or not. So in case you did miss it, here is the big news of the day. Surface Duo 2 has finally received a small price drop, about $250 off here for this particular model, which is the 128 gig version. If you go to the 256 gig version, you're still going to save $250 off. So you can see your prices there. Go away, Edge. Thank you for that. $13.49 for 256, or of course $12.49 for the 128. If you want to go to Microsoft.com, you're going to get the same $250 off. So this is an actual price cut here on both of these storefronts. So if you've been waiting, you've been trying to decide if you wanted to pick up a Surface Duo 2 or not, now is literally the best time so far in the history of this device existing to go ahead and do so, because the price has now finally fallen a little bit. And of course, the updates that have come out have made the device considerably better than it was when it launched. To me, this thing is in a position where it pretty much behaves like any other modern flagship phone that I have owned. I'm not really seeing those day-to-day bugs like I was on the original Duo, and I think that, because of that, this is something that might be worth looking at for some people, in particular when you keep in mind that these places like Best Buy and Microsoft do offer decent return policies. So if you buy the thing and you don't like it, you can return it. If you want to hear a bit longer about where I think Duo 2 is right now, I'll drop in the description down below that like button, which you should use on your way down, my sort of long-term 4-ish month review of where I think Duo 2 is. I'll also have links to Microsoft and to Best Buy down there as well. If you use the Best Buy link, I will get commission on that purchase. If you would rather use the Microsoft link, feel free to do so. I won't make a dime off of that though, so just keep in mind if you want to help support the channel, the Best Buy link is going to be the better option for that. Also, keep in mind, if you were like someone that I talked to on Twitter just the other day, if you've just purchased your Surface Duo 2 from Best Buy and now they're running this deal, please do go back to Best Buy and get your price matched, because they will offer something like that for you. So you just bought it, price comes down, go back in, they're going to compensate you for the fact that they just now dropped the price. So definitely keep that in mind as well. And if you have potentially just purchased, you didn't actually get screwed out of $250, you can go back and take care of that. So yeah, there you go. Pretty exciting times. Lots of great updates for Surface Duo 2, and now the first pretty substantial price cut here for the device. It's unclear if this is a temporary deal or not. I would imagine that it probably is, so you might want to take advantage of it while it is available. Thanks for watching. Thanks for making it to the end. Thanks for using those wonderful affiliate links should you choose to do so. I'll see you on the next one, and until next time, stay nerdy, my friends.